Hello students. Before starting the class, I want to tell you something. Yesterday I made some lemon pickle. Do you like this? Anyway, I like it very much. And in order to preserve it for a long time, I add some vinegar to it, which is a good preservative, and I kept it in a glass bottle. I am not explaining the recipe of lemon pickle, but I want to ask you something. The pickles are usually preferred to keep in glass bottles. You know why? Let us discuss what is the reason. It is due to one of the interesting chemical properties of acids, that is, reaction of acids with the metals. Let us discuss in detail, okay?
What happens when acids react with the metals? Acid on reaction with the metal produces salt and hydrogen gas. For example, zinc metal on reaction with the sulfuric acid produces zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. In this reaction, zinc metal displaces hydrogen gas from sulfuric acid. Then zinc metal combines with the remaining part of the sulfuric acid to produce zinc sulfate, which is a salt. Okay. This figure shows the reaction of zinc granules with the dilute sulfuric acid. Here about 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid is added into a test tube and a few drops of zinc granules are added to it. The test tube is closed with a cork and this setup is connected to soap solution which is taken in a tumbler by using a delivery tube. Zinc metal on reaction with dilute sulfuric acid produces hydrogen gas which comes out from the test tube through the delivery tube to the soap solution. When hydrogen gas is bubbled through the soap solution, soap bubbles filled with hydrogen gas will come out from the trough. When a burning candle is brought near the hydrogen-filled soap bubbles, the hydrogen gas will burn with a pop sound. So, from this experiment, it is clear that the metals displaces hydrogen gas from acids. Similar to acids, bases also react with the metals. What happens when bases react with the metals? Base on reaction with the metal produces salt and hydrogen gas. For example, sodium hydroxide, which is a base, on reaction with the zinc metal produces sodium zincate, which is a salt, and hydrogen gas. In this reaction, zinc displaces hydrogen gas from sodium hydroxide. Okay.
Now, let us come back to the story of our lemon pickle. Why it is kept in glass bottle? Because it contains vinegar, which is dilute acetic acid, and the lemon itself contains citric acid. If it is kept in a metallic bottle, these acids react with the metal and produce corresponding salts and hydrogen gas. And these chemicals are not good for our health. I hope you understood the concept. Okay, thank you.